ana m agwọ oke ite na o nwere ọgwụ m na-agwọrọ m kwetara na mụ na-agwọ ọgwụ m kwetara na mụ na-agwọ oke ite onye ọbụla na-agbaziri nnọọ ọgwụ ọsọ onye ọbụla na-agbaziri oke ite ọsọ.
Governor Soludo, I'm here to tell you that any useless native doctor that rant again, arrest him and put him inside jail. Share this telecast. Governor Soludo, I'm here to tell you that.
m kwetara na mụ na-agwọ ọgwụ m kwetara na mụ na-agwọ oke ite onye ọbụla na-agbaziri nnọọ ọgwụ ọsọ onye ọbụla na-agbaziri oke ite ọsọ na-eme ebe a. I
rejected America because of these things. Na Igbo ga-adị mma 2025 ọmụnwa agụ na-eche mba agụ na-echi gba abịago na nke ikpeazụ a onye mere nonsense Soludo ụrụ ya megịnị tinye na nga is part of the kidnappers. Anybody rant kedu ebe ọ nọ? Any native doctor that rant Soludo, arrest him and put him inside prison. He can't do nothing.
Mụ na-agwọ ọgwụ onye ọbụla na-asa oke ite mee nke nwoke ite mee nke mụ na-agwọ oke ite kweta na mụ na-agwọ oke ite
akwụ onye ọgwụ
ị na-abịa agbagasị ọnụ. Anybody that stand against his security, you are evil and the government should arrest you and put you inside prison.
This way. No.
Since you know that the native doctor name evil, how many of them has he arrested and bring it to the book? Mba, una abona cha cha cha. Kedu ndu kidnapper unu megara arrest? Kedu fake dibia unu megara arrest? Ebe unu so dị yoma na Igbo. Unu do busy ki de Yahweh, go ki chukwu ka dibia. Since him no one do na-eme ihe ọjọọ, how many of ndị native doctor na-eme ihe ọjọọ o eze nwa na-eme ihe ọjọọ ka ijigara aka go kpọpụta gosi anyị na ndị a bụ ndị ọjọọ?
m kwetara na mụ na-agwọ ọgwụ m kwetara na mụ na-agwọ oke ite onye ọbụla na-agbaziri nnọọ ọgwụ ọsọ onye ọbụla na-agbaziri oke ite ọsọ na-eme ebe a. Ana m agwọ oke ite na o nwere ọgwụ m na-agwọrọ.
The video that is going viral.
It's not my page that post the video.
And the law, you said you know about the law.
Yeah. I hear about oke ite. I know the since the way I hear go to my page, you see nothing like that.
Okay, you know you have already stopped.
Yeah, because they say okay, do this, okay, I just stop it. But that okay, now we give them that name. Okay, they will not be na name. Okay, then at the same way. But now because that one they there for court.
So, gentlemen, we are going to push further. We must. So we want to see those things. Okay. We want to even see where you do these things, and then the evidence that what you're doing, and then even your shop, okay, where it is, and that is what the law says. And failure to get all these things, of course, you know the consequences. I will add you, Joseph. So get the team ready. We'll investigate him first. As at this point, yeah.
For now, nobody should talk. I'm not even practicing Christianity. I'm practicing Judaism. But whatever my governor says now is right. Because of the evil. Judaism, Christian. They are Christian. All of us, we are all Christians. Your father accepted Christianity. So let us join together and fight the problem that facing us now. Like Anambra State called good. Go to Ebony State. Go to Lagos. Go to Benin. Go and be doing your native doctor there. Go to your Ebony Gebutogubini. Manu Gara, go there and be doing that you there. Gabana Jabode, carry that to your useless dibia. Go there. The Bible run and walk. Okay, everywhere, arrows everywhere. Ibuterike, testimony. On your beautiful kidnapper, also see the testimonies. No, which business can we arrest any native doctor now? To prove to what they're doing. No, government, any native doctor arrest him. Let him come and show us to the people that in the about video. National Army testimony. How about if they are not doing kidnappers? If not, all of them will run away. Arrest one person. Let him then rant. Anyone that rant, arrest him. Let him come and show us. Important. Okay, look at what happened in Newina. These two houses, the demolition in New. It's not our brothers. Is it IPOP that killing people? No. Is it Mazen and the Kale? No. Is it Frani? No. Ndibo. we are our own problem. When I say this, Igbo don't love themselves. People like Matthias will use that name. Igbo love themselves. I'll be kidding, deceiving people and collecting millions and come on social media and launching. Come on social media and causing nuisance. Matthias Isaac. You're not doing Omenana. What you're doing is Church of Satan. You're doing Wayo. You're doing 419. And very soon, you go down for it. Mark my word. I've told you. I'll be your end. How much you Chukwana warrior. Get all your word. Uno Gubundo Kamwe. We are the Christian that own the hospital. Show us the one. Gago sang young Boroguna powerful for all you could see promote. Remove from the church. Remove from the house. Gani more here. As onye na emo mena na Ghana or ebe aka ndo mena na. That is our own tradition. What you're doing is not Igbo tradition. So stop using Wayo to free people and call. You're looking for money. People know two rooms maternity. No. Is that hospital? Do you have scamming machine there? We're gonna stop all those things. What you come and capitalize now, Jesus will fake is. Man's not gonna preach about fake church, Jesus, Zeus. I preach about fake Roman Catholic. You just jump on it and begin to look like you're the one that started it. Show us when you start preaching this, you're preaching. Where are you? In 2018, you're still collecting money from Christians. And you know, it's not Christian that completed billion that Echa children are evil of themselves. You book there, you know, be able to ask even aware. Also, no Nambuka. Our brothers do that in Nimbuka. Buka this like that. We chapter na Christianity akas bago emagbo na Omenana 2022 you're seeing in Igbo of themselves. Christianity talk complete money. Which when do you begin talking about Jesus? Fake Jesus. It's not up to 3-4 years. But all the while you're making Christianity eating their money. When do you leave your Sabbath you do? You just you know up to 5 years. When do you start Samari and leave your Christianity? It's not up to 10 years. So all of you are criminals. Anything you have not done up to 20 years, you'll see a baby there. You have been by 20 years, you can't come and call yourself a dibia. A dibia that is not up to 20 years, you don't have experience. What you are a marine worshipper and the idol worshipper. You don't know nothing about tradition. You go to the search on the internet, you're not teaching nobody. Can you prove it? Perform the miracle, let's see. Arrest all the dibia, let them come and prove themselves. All of them should come to Oka and perform miracle. If you cannot heal people, it shouldn't be a native doctor because dibia are now warrior. We don't need those nonsense. If you talk, you do it. Using word about putting fears everywhere. When my governor want to build a Kurobia land about then how many years now? What happened? Where is the useless man's living? You think it's all about ranting, using manipulation on people, taking their money? Criminals. Yahweh be ekwensu. Yahweh buru ekwensu. Ịma na enwere Chukwu. Ị ga na-efe mmụọ mmiri. Ị ga na-agwa anyị abata amado ha. Ị na-agwa anyị abata ekwensu Chukwu gba agha ọkụ dị. Dara. My governor Soludo, any native doctor that rant nonsense, arrest him and put him inside jail. Let him come and defend himself. Let him come and tell us why, what has he or she have done since and a no man Anambra State, since I made no man kidnap, since no man Abara no kid, what has he done? You know, he may or no man Ghana America teacher and my water. Tomorrow people are dying up and down. One of these days, still come to Nigeria to see me. When you are not doing those useless Omenana, and it was okay. We are all of us Omenana. I have the OG there. Is that what make you a Omenana? Akajofo is not by Ibro for Atorat and a lot for nothing. Akajofo be covenant of God. If you don't have the covenant with God, if you cannot speak something, you manifest. You break Akajofo. Okay, no problem. You bring her to Nigeria, no problem. Don't worry, everything will be okay. God bless you too, Lucky. So you shouldn't allow those nonsense boys to be ranting. No problem. My governor Soludo, I'm ashamed of it. Anybody that rant on nonsense, arrest the person and put him inside jail. Let him die there. And it was somebody up and down. No man now up and down. You're there. I put a solution. I get this solve problem. I'm not saying because now do Dibia. Yeah, I mean Dibia. See, we fake pastors. Every pastor in Anambra State that perform miracle must come and prove it. Both of the major, both both Jesus, both Bemonso, both the Yahweh. All of us will come here, but I'm the same way within native doctor. If you cannot heal anybody, nobody, you shouldn't do that native doctor in another state. You go to another place and do it. You must tell us what to do. Doctor, you know, I go. I bought poor people. Do not cover na main market. Big man within 4 days. People like eat. You see the more kit. I bought na boss here. Kimero kit ka abro organize. I have delivered more than 10,000 people. Do better kit. Oba hala. Do better kit. They are the porter. No watch all today. Their life. No catch na mili. Ye drew her. Buy na me water kingdom. I know kuna na nonsense. Share the telecast. Basa no zia. Obuni Igbo. Me kit. Ibi aka deliver. It more gebido. Yes, na. Abro boyiz. I don't know about gala. On anu your door will cruise. Thank God that many native doctors now have come out to say speak the truth. No, why are you not supporting no kit again? Because each chapter, even on you, good on your name, kit have told you the truth. Oh, they are the same one they go up and down. When you promote, look at that the developer and boy, do you know how many billionaires they have killed in another state?
I was only using you to pray at her picture.
We deal with you. Do you know how many threats I get every day?
Many times you are
I hide the number. Oh, I got for the SIM card. I told you people, you can do nothing. And Anambra will kill him. What have you done about Undalebu since? Have you come out and do the program about kidnappers? No.
My happiness is
you are Dibia. You have never one day talk about kidnappers in your program. Oh, you tell them if you go to church, you die. You get it. Have you told them what are the boom? How many of you that native doctors and why have told them that water that killing people?
Are you not going to hospital?
You will not tell them. They are Elizabeth, different nonsense are not going. No matter now, room up and down, now hotel up and down. No matter if. Haven't you know that most of the people that are building those hotels are the part of the people that kidnapping people in Ebola?
This kind of thing happened to somebody in Nigeria. If cancer happens to somebody in Nigeria, if you start going to hospital, it will cost you millions of naira. That's why we're crying. Nigeria should fix the country. I want to help my people. You understand? People I want to help my people. I have the spiritual power. They also want to help physical. That's why I want to build free hospital, free school, and free prayer center.
My brother, the reality.
Yes.